Hello, friends. I am Ashwinder Pasrija, and I am also part of this program conducted by Shweta for Hooponopono prayers. It was a wonderful session. I really had a very good understanding and learning. Learned so much from this program. Best part was is that I was able to connect with myself as well as with the universe. Shweta, this program was so efficiently done and so effective. It was very nice. I really had a good time all the 4 days. And also special thanks to the session support people, Minuji, Tochiji, and others. They were also very good, very good. Thank you so much. Thank you.